Are you looking for the best Dahua Dashcam for car? In this video, we want to the top 5 best Dahua Dashcam for car on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Dahua M3 Dashcam. Capturing every drive with precision and ease. The Dahua M3 Dashcam takes the helm and redefining on the road recording, offering a host of features that elevate your driving experience. After first-hand experience with its capabilities, I am excited to share insights into what makes this dashcam a standout choice for those who prioritize clarity, versatility, and user-friendly functionality. 1440p HD quality stands as a beacon of excellence, providing crisp and clear recording at 1440p high-definition resolution. The M3 ensures that every driving detail is captured with precision, offering peace of mind for drivers who value clarity in their recordings. The 131 wide-angle lens further enhances the visual experience, covering a broad field of vision and providing a comprehensive view of the road ahead. HDR high-definition processing technology complements the 1440p resolution, ensuring optimal image quality and detail. This technology enhances the dashcam's ability to capture and process images in varying lighting conditions, delivering a superior visual experience for users. 4.4 large aperture is a key feature that sets the Dahua M3 Dashcam apart. This large aperture allows for clear shots in low light conditions, ensuring that the dashcam remains effective even during nighttime driving. The sensitivity to light at night is heightened, providing a reliable recording solution regardless of the ambient lighting. Voice commands for hands-free operation add a layer of convenience to the Dahua M3 Dashcam. Users can issue voice commands during video recording without the need to manually interact with the device. This quick and responsive feature allows for the immediate saving of pictures and video recordings, enhancing the overall user experience. Emergency recording with gravity sensing collision lock is a crucial safety feature. In the event of a collision, the dashcam automatically records emergency video and locks the current video. This ensures that important video and image data are not overwritten by loop recording, providing car owners with valuable evidence when needed. 360 rotating lens in a mini body offers unparalleled flexibility in adjusting the recording angle. The dashcam's compact design allows for a 360 free rotation, enabling users to customize the angle according to their specific needs. This versatility ensures that the M3 adapts seamlessly to different driving conditions. Wide-angle shooting with a 131 field of vision is a testament to the Dahua M3's commitment to comprehensive coverage. The wide-angle recording effortlessly covers multiple lanes, providing a broader driving field of vision and enhancing overall safety. In conclusion, the Dahua M3 Dashcam is a reliable and feature-rich companion for every journey. From its high-definition recording capabilities to the convenience of voice commands and the safety assurance of emergency recording, the M3 excels on all fronts. Elevate your driving experience with the Dahua M3 Dashcam, a true guardian on the road. Number 4. Dahua M1 Dashcam. Compact powerhouse delivering clarity and control. The Dahua M1 Dashcam stands as a testament to simplicity meeting sophistication, providing drivers with a compact yet powerful solution for capturing clear and detailed video evidence. After experiencing its features firsthand, I am excited to share insights into what makes the M1 a standout choice for those seeking reliability, ease of use, and enhanced safety features. 1080p resolution takes center stage, allowing the Dahua M1 to capture high-quality footage with crystal-clear clarity. The 1080p resolution ensures that every detail on the road is vividly recorded, providing users with a reliable source of video evidence in the event of incidents. Voice control sets the M1 apart in terms of user-friendly operation. With voice control functionality, navigating through menus and adjusting settings becomes a seamless and hands-free experience. This feature enhances the overall user convenience, allowing drivers to focus on the road while effortlessly interacting with the dashcam. Night vision emerges as a key feature for low-light conditions, ensuring that the Dahua M1 Dashcam remains effective even in situations with limited visibility. The night vision capability guarantees clear footage, providing users with reliable recording regardless of the lighting conditions. G-sensor technology is a vital safety feature that automatically comes into play in the event of a collision. The M1's G-sensor technology detects impacts and collisions, automatically locking and saving the relevant footage. This ensures that crucial video evidence is preserved and not overwritten during loop recording, providing car owners with a valuable resource for insurance claims and legal purposes. Compact design and straightforward operation make the Dahua M1 Dashcam an ideal choice for users seeking a hassle-free experience. The compact form factor ensures that the dashcam does not obstruct the driver's view while still delivering on its promise of reliable and high-quality video recording. In conclusion, the Dahua M1 Dashcam is a compact powerhouse that excels in simplicity, reliability, and user-friendly features. Whether capturing clear daytime footage or navigating through menus with voice control, the M1 offers a seamless and efficient solution for users looking to enhance their driving experience. Elevate your road safety and documentation with the Dahua M1 Dashcam, a reliable companion for every journey. Number 3. Dahua S5 Dashcam. Unleashing advanced technology for ultimate clarity and safety. The Dahua S5 Dashcam stands as a pinnacle of innovation, seamlessly integrating monitoring technology to redefine the driving experience. With a suite of advanced features, this dashcam delivers unparalleled clarity, wide-angle coverage, and intelligent control, setting a new standard for on-the-road recording. After experiencing its capabilities firsthand, I am thrilled to share insights into what makes the S5 a standout choice for those seeking cutting-edge technology and enhanced driving safety. 2160p ultra-clear picture quality takes center stage, showcasing the Dahua S5's commitment to delivering exceptional visuals. Equipped with the high-range high-definition sensor, this dashcam captures ultra-clear images that allow for precise detail recognition. The 2160p resolution ensures that every driving detail is vividly recorded, providing an added layer of safety. Brand new flagship ultra-clear glass lens module features a 6-element ultra lens group, elevating the dashcam's performance in low light conditions. With a 6-fold increase in aperture for light input during nighttime driving, the Dahua S5 ensures ultra-clear recordings, even in challenging lighting situations. 123 large wide-angle lens proves invaluable in covering a broader driving field of view. This wide-angle lens minimizes blind spots, enhancing overall safety by providing comprehensive coverage of the road. Left and right lanes are effortlessly captured, reducing the risk of overlooked details. Intelligent voice control adds a layer of convenience and safety, allowing drivers to operate the dashcam hands-free. Through voice commands, users can capture pictures, initiate recordings, control the screen, and more. This intuitive feature enhances the driving experience, enabling users to stay focused on the road. Zero Traffic Mobile Internet with DH Dashcam app introduces intelligent control and connectivity. The dashcam's Wi-Fi hotspot allows seamless connection to the DH Dashcam app on your mobile phone. Real-time viewing and playback become easily accessible, putting control at your fingertips. The app's clear hierarchy and user-friendly interface make it a simple yet powerful tool for managing your dashcam. Parking monitoring, loop recording, and collision auto further solidify the Dahua S5's status as a comprehensive and reliable driving companion. Whether it's capturing incidents during parking, ensuring continuous recording with loop functionality, or automatically responding to collisions, this dashcam prioritizes safety at every turn. In conclusion, the Dahua S5 Dashcam is a technological marvel that brings together clarity, coverage, and control in a sleek package. Elevate your driving safety with the Dahua S5, a powerful ally on the road that captures every detail with precision and ensures a safer and more enjoyable journey. Number 2. Dahua S6 Dashcam. Comprehensive protection, crystal clear recordings, and intelligent features. The Dahua S6 Dashcam emerges as a beacon of cutting-edge technology, combining front and rear double recording, voice control, and a crash latch to redefine your driving experience. After first-hand experience with its capabilities, I am excited to share insights into what makes the S6 a standout choice for those seeking comprehensive protection, superior night vision, and intelligent functionality. 1080p front and rear double recording takes center stage, providing an extra layer of safety with dual cameras capturing both front and rear views. The inclusion of a 720p rear camera, with a 120 wide-angle lens, ensures comprehensive protection, addressing safety concerns from all angles. The crash latch feature further enhances security by automatically locking and saving footage in the event of a collision. 3-inch IPS screen introduces a new dimension to video playback, offering a vibrant and engaging visual experience. The high-definition large screen, coupled with 1080p high-resolution square inches, provides a fresh perspective on recorded footage. The 3-inch IPS screen transforms every moment into an exciting visual experience. Enhanced night vision is a standout feature of the Dahua 6, equipped with a COMS image sensor. This sensor automatically adjusts to varying light conditions, ensuring clear and detailed recordings even in low-light or nighttime scenarios. The enhanced night vision capability adds an extra layer of security to your driving experience. Security-grade chip processor guarantees optimal performance, leaving no room for sudden crashes or interruptions. The chip processor's robust capabilities ensure that every detail is captured with precision, providing users with a reliable and uninterrupted recording experience. Built-in GPS serves as a real-time trip data monitor, displaying crucial information such as time, speed, and coordinates. This feature not only enhances the overall user experience but also proves invaluable in the event of an accident. The ability to track the exact location becomes crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims. In conclusion, the Dahua S6 Dashcam is a holistic solution for drivers seeking the pinnacle of protection and functionality. From its dual recording capabilities and vibrant IPS screen to enhanced night vision and built-in GPS, the S6 sets a new standard for on-the-road recording. Elevate your driving experience with the Dahua S6 Dashcam, a reliable companion that ensures your safety and provides peace of mind on every journey. Number 1. Dahua M6 Dashcam. Unleashing Ultra HD clarity, enhanced night vision, and intelligent connectivity. The Dahua M6 Dashcam stands at the forefront of innovation, introducing a host of features that redefine on-the-road recording. With a focus on 1296p Ultra HD picture quality, enhanced night vision, and seamless connectivity, the M6 represents the pinnacle of safety and sophistication. After first-hand experience with its capabilities, I am excited to share insights into what makes the Dahua M6 a standout choice for those seeking unparalleled clarity, reliability, and intelligent features. 1296p Ultra HD picture quality takes center stage, setting the Dahua M6 apart with its security-level monitoring lens. This lens brings every pixel to life, providing a visual experience that comprehensively protects driving safety. The attention to detail in the 1296p resolution ensures that no aspect of the driving experience goes unnoticed. Larger aperture for clearer imaging is a key feature of the M6, boasting an f/.8 large aperture that significantly increases the amount of incoming light. This enhancement results in clearer low-light imaging, finely configured hardware parameters, and a more balanced annulus during both day and night driving. The larger aperture ensures transparency and precision in capturing crucial moments. Enhanced night vision without fear of darkness is facilitated by the CMOS image sensor, allowing automatic switching between day and night recording environments based on ambient light conditions. The Dahua M6 excels in shooting clear footage even in challenging nighttime scenarios, enhancing overall safety and security. Upgrade to H.265 video encoding marks a leap in video coding technology, surpassing the common H.264 standard. The H.265 coding not only saves more video storage space but also delivers a smoother video viewing experience, ensuring that users can review footage seamlessly. Security-grade chip processor ensures optimal performance, leaving no room for sudden crashes or interruptions. The robust capabilities of the chip processor guarantee that every detail is captured with precision, providing users with a reliable and uninterrupted recording experience. O-Traffic mobile app interconnection introduces intelligent connectivity, with Wi-Fi hotspot support and seamless integration with the DAHUA Dashcam app. This feature allows users to operate the dashcam, view real-time footage, and review recordings directly from their mobile phones. The clear hierarchy and user-friendly interface make it simple and easy to use. In conclusion, the Dahua M6 Dashcam is a technological marvel that brings together Ultra HD clarity, enhanced night vision, and intelligent connectivity. Elevate your driving safety and documentation with the Dahua M6, a reliable and sophisticated companion that captures every detail with precision and ensures a safer and more enjoyable journey.